The municipality sold all the plots adjacent to the more than 400 plots which could not be put up for sale because of the electricity installations to the site were delayed. The city's corporate communications manager, Joshua Mkugo, could not say whether the delay was caused by a possible lack of funds from the side of the city or because of the contractor.
Initially, it was supposed, actually, the laying of electric wires were supposed to be carried out simultaneously with the other services. But then because the two services could not be ready at the same time, so the electricity part got delayed somehow. And that's why it came in at a later stage.
Windhoek's shortage of serviced land is blamed for the current housing dilemma and is said to have resulted in a number of its residents opting to squat on the outskirts in informal settlements. Responding to queries why it took the city of Windhoek for over a year and a half to attend to the delay, Mkugo said the council had to go back to the drawing board. The council is aware of the increased demand for quality housing, but delaying land sales is equally important to ensure that servicing is done once off. Once the sale of the plots are made available, the Windhoek City Council says it will be priced in such a way that it targets the middle-income earners and not necessarily to recover costs incurred when it serviced the 407 erven which had been laying idle for over a year and a half. The total cost of how much money was spent on servicing the plots under question could not be made public.
Blanche, this is actually not a very cheap exercise. It's not a very cheap exercise whatsoever. But when we are talking about what we have spent, then people have a tendency of going back to do the calculations and see whether the municipality made a loss, made a profit, or they were even robbed. But what we are saying is the process we are going to apply will ensure that the erven that are available here are cheap and affordable.
The land will not be sold through auctioning. Blanche Correses, NBC News, Windhoek.